In this tutorial, you'll learn how to completely reset or delete a website draft using GoDaddy's website builder tools. Let's focus on your browser's address bar and navigate to the GoDaddy dashboard. Now, select the site project you want to manage from your product list to get started. Next, open your chosen site's preview. Then go to the Settings tab to access powerful site management tools. In the settings, select Site History to view and manage all your backups. Here, you can restore or rename previous versions as needed. To start over, click Reset Website and confirm by choosing Yes, Start Over. This removes all draft site content, but can be undone if necessary. After resetting, use the Settings panel again to open or create new backups, ensuring your draft remains clean or ready for a new start. If you prefer to delete specific sections instead, confirm any removal in the dialog, or update your images and content directly in the website editor. Finally, restore any backup using the Restore link beside each entry, giving you flexibility in managing your website's state. You've just learned how to delete or reset a draft website in GoDaddy Website Builder. Thanks for watching.